Good morning. Still here. Still digging for crystals. Oh, my husband has sifted so far. I needed to get up for a minute. Legs are starting to fall asleep, but I think I'm ready to sit back down and find some more.
It's on a bone.
This is what, that's what I've found so far. There's no comfortable position. I just have to deal with it. You know what I mean?
Who are you talking to? Me?
Talking to you and the camera.
All right, yeah.
You and the studio audience.
Yeah, there is no comfortable. Man, you can like lift a layer.
I brought gloves. And then I realized it's a lot easier just to use the hands. I was worried it was going to be cold.
Hey, you don't really have to dig that deep. It's amazing. They're like on the first couple inches.
And I didn't want to break my nails, but if I break my nails, oh well. I got a nail appointment next week, so about time for a color change anyway. They're pretty sturdy. as long as I've been doing my nails for what, 5 years now? I've only broke them twice.
5 years.
It's been a while. I love Angie. She's like my therapist. I can't imagine not visiting her once a month. Told her if I move, I'm gonna have to pay for her to have a new house wherever we move. I don't think I could talk her into it. She does have grandchildren. I'd have to move a whole lot of people to get her to come. It might be cheaper just to fly to St. Louis once a month.
It probably would be. I think it's getting a little crazy.
Ooh, that one. That is a nice one.
Yeah, they're definitely not in this direction.
See, they're called like hourglass crystals because there's a brown hourglass symbol on the inside of them. Oh, feel something right there. You gotta be careful if you're using a digging tool because you'll break them.
You do break them. That's the bad part. Really sad. Oh, that's a good one. Look at that.
Oh my God, that is a good one. Oh,
I'm sorry.
that's fine.
Look at it.
It's his, apparently.
Pull it back.
Cannot see it. It's mine.
Look at it.
Look at it, but then don't. Gotta be quicker than that.
That's right. Ooh, that's a good one too.
Are you gonna let me hold it this time? Thank you. That is a good one. They'll be a lot prettier once I clean them up. That will have to wait until we get home. I'm not gonna do it in the hotel room. That would be quite rude for the housekeeping.
No, that's wrong.
I'll do it when we get home. In the outdoor hose. I will have to say this hotel must be used to mud because this is the first time I've ever been into a hotel. They're right inside the door. It has booties for your shoes if they're muddy. Never seen that before. Apparently Oklahoma is a very muddy place. Are you ready to sift it yet?
Yeah, just give me a minute. This layer is just amazing. What's in it? Just pull that layer up and put it in the pan. Break the mud up a little bit and it's ready to go.
Feel something right there. Oh, just a small one. Everything is dirty. Look at that. Everything. Dirty. Dirty, dirty. Even my cell phone screen is covered with mud.
Oh, man.
All right, don't overflow it. I want to see what you got.
You will. Just give me a second, will you?
No.
Go ahead, lady.
Now. I want it now.
I know. It's exactly what you sound like.
You're like doing like a whole
Yeah.
landscaping. I feel like you're making like a sand, like, I feel like a building is happening right here. Like you
It
got
is.
layer. Wait, stop. Stop. Right in front. Put your hand in front of right there. You got it. I feel, isn't that like when we're seashelling and you
It is.
point?
Yeah.
I saw one. I was pointing.
It's all right in this layer.
So which do you like better, crystal hunting or seashelling?
This is more fun at the moment. but
For you.
I'm sure I'll get tired of it in about 15 more minutes. I'll be like, all right, that's it. What are we eating for lunch? That's it. No, I won't be like that, but
Well, I was thinking we were going to spend the whole day here, but we're not.
there's no way.
Because there's no bathrooms.
No.
The bathrooms are in the beginning, and you have to drive back there, and you have to go through a mud obstacle course.
Yeah, you do.
So once we drive it one more time, we're not coming back. So basically our limit is 4 hours. I can go 4 hours without having to use the restroom. And then after that, I am just extremely crabby. So 4 hours. How many crystals can we find? A lot. We may not even need 4 hours because we found the perfect spot.
Oh.
Our hole is very muddy. So he's going over to a different hole that is not muddy.
Check this out.
Is it the...
Here, I'll come over to you.
Come on, yeah. Put it in front of the camera. Let's see what we got. Or what Robert got, because that's all his hard work. Oh my goodness. That's awesome.
Is that crazy?
We are finding the best ones. I'm so happy. When we first got here, the first hole, that big one over there, that's our hole, Doug. Nothing. And while he was digging it, I just started wandering around. And I found this hole. It had tons of crystals all around it. Like, let's try this one. And it worked out.
I discounted what I read because I read a guy had said it's in the first 2 inches.
First 2 inches?
Yeah.
Well, I read, don't dig your own hole, use everyone else's.
Wow.
And I agree with that.
Yeah.
Plenty of holes. And we don't have to fight with anyone today for a hole because there's nobody here.
Thankfully.
It's like I paid to have the park to myself, but I didn't.
You didn't. Huh.
I'm not that special. No one decided to come here Monday morning for whatever reason. Like I said earlier, like I've seen videos of this park pretty busy, so I don't know what's going on today that no one decided to show up. Oh, what did you find? What'd you find?
Nothing.
I heard your excited voice. You're not telling me something. That's fine. Keep your
I'll show you in a
secrets.
few minutes.
Keep your secrets. I'm gonna start putting dirt in yours then.
That's fine. Put good dirt in.
I'm trying. I think I'm in a good area.
Dirty here. Very dirty.
I'll tell you, this might be fun for kids because
Oh yeah.
we are essentially playing in the mud.
Oh, that's a really good one. I think I got a really good one. Look at that. It's a
Oh
big
my
one.
God. That is a nice one. Yeah, bring your own tools. There's nothing to rent here.
There's nothing
anywhere.
Yeah,
There's no person like telling you what to do or anything. It's all bring your own stuff.
Figure it out.
No park ranger over your shoulder or anything. And bring your own buckets. Bring your own shovel. Sifting is not necessary. We just happen to have one because we are rock hounders, and my husband likes to pan for gold, and we've been to a diamond mine before, so we happen to already have all this stuff handy. So you don't necessarily have to buy anything besides a bucket from Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever your feed store is, and then a shovel. Or you don't even need a shovel. Like I said,
No, you really
use
don't.
someone else's hole. A shovel is not necessary, because there's no rule. Like, you're not really supposed to fill your holes in, because they fill in naturally when it rains. And these crystals kind of like, it's like a renewable resource. Like, they keep forming over and over again. Because like most parks are like, don't take anything, leave everything for everyone else to enjoy. Well, I just think these crystals just keep they keep forming over and over again.
Yep.
And so they don't mind, the park doesn't mind people taking them. They encourage people to take them. It's a fun activity. There's one right there. There's one sticking up right there. So yeah, if you're in Oklahoma and you like rock hounding, I highly recommend this place.